I'm gonna get real scientific on you here. If you ride mostly in the dirt, those knobby niblets dig into the dirt and hook up mo. If you one of them wheelie boys riding up a cul-de-sac doing a circle wheelie, you're gonna want those street tires. Now, if it were that simple, this video wouldn't need to exist, but there is a lot of overlap on what you can do with a street tire in the dirt and a dirt tire on the street. You can ride both on both, but it really comes down to what you do more, and if it's about a 30-70 ratio, as in 30% street, 70% dirt, or anything above that, I would have to say supermotos, as they work surprisingly well in the dirt. The dude that rides with Logan Taylor, Blake, something fab on YouTube, I'll pop up on screen his actual YouTube channel, does jumps on an Ultra B in wet grass and dirt on supermoto street tires. Makes it look fucking easy. Also, a lot of other YouTubers on supermotos zipping on road, rip a trail hard as shit off road. Now on Knobbies, my friend, you can ride on the street, but it's not enjoyable. It is a ton of road noise. It is rough, and if you're doing wheelies, it throws your side to side balance off, and it just doesn't feel good street riding on knobby dirt bike tires. As we're riding off-road on supermotos, they hook up pretty good acceleration and braking wise. You really just have to worry about how far you're leaning over, which I've hit that limit on purpose, I guess, doing a little skid, but I went too far sideways and dumped Betty.
We're good. First time I went down in a while.
But that's really about it. On supermotos, you just have to be cognizant that you're not leaning over too far, because the front end could wash out from under you, or the back end could come around, high side, low side. But my overall opinion is that supermotos for the win. 30% street riding, 70% dirt riding, or anything higher than that ratio, you thought it would be 50-50, right? No, in my opinion, supermotos do way better in the dirt than dirt tires do on the street. This is just my personal opinion, and I do want to hear yours down there in the comments section below, but those little supermoto, which are basically mini sport bike tires for a dirt bike, that thing can do anything. It's still got the suspension of a dirt bike, but you can lean over really far into corners. They have an insane amount of grip on asphalt, and they look really cool as well.